Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aineba Catherine, and I've worked on a tour and travel reservation management system, and I have an area of interest. That area of interest is reservation management system. So to take you through this, I'm going to take you through my project. Here we go. Here it comes. If you're out there and you don't know how to go about a reservation management system, first of all, you have to get an area of interest, and that area of interest, mine is travel and tourism. Under travel and tourism, we have other sub tasks, you can say, no, sub interests. So I have a reservation management system. And why am I choosing that is also a case in point. It's to help streamline the operation of this sector of the tour and tourism system. I have also stakeholders in my project, and those are tourists, system administrators. I also have transportation companies, hotels, resorts. Yes, to mention but a few. I have problems I'm going to check how to solve. Those are, as you're seeing on your screen, those are the problems. There has been a problem of overbooking, cancellation policies, poor communication, lack of transparency, and these are some of the solutions. So possibly this is what my project is going to solve. So it's going to ensure a reservation system in a user-friendly way. It's going to also provide complete information to customers. For example, you want to go to Queen Elizabeth National Park, but you don't know where exactly and how and when, so it's going to do that. Don't miss it out. Do you like traveling? Yes. If you really do traveling and you're interested, follow up. So my project has a work plan, and this is what included in a work plan. I have planning, requirements gathering, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. So before you do that, you have to have a methodology that is going to help you out. Yes, mine is agile, yours can be waterfall, but I prefer agile. You like it, test it, and you will tell us what is out of it. So this agile method helps in it allows frequent rapid changes. For example, you want to change this, it will not disturb you. So I also have tools like database, Visual Studio. This is my work plan. So that is the work plan. Planning, gathering, those are tasks. Planning, gathering requirements, analysis, design, implementation. They also have subtasks, as you're seeing on your screen. Excuse me. So there is a location of resources, conduct interviews, as you're seeing on your screen. I also have a Gantt chart. You have to have one, don't miss it out. So you have to have a Gantt chart of your project. That is the work plan you've given us. So how will it make it, and how, when, why, and all that will be in your Gantt chart. Don't miss it out. I also have requirements. Don't miss your requirements. So what do these people expect? What do users expect? What do business people expect? What do they expect from your project? Here we go. Follow up, please. So I have user requirements, then we have business requirements, functional requirements, and we also have non-functional requirements. So system requirements also. So for example, it should have a internet connectivity. So that's the budget. You don't miss out a budget. Of course, you cannot do something without a budget. Yes. So that is how my budget is looking like, and that is the total of the budget. You have to have a context diagram, my dear. Yes, you have to have one. This is a sketchy one, but there is a cute one down. So to make it like a context diagram is to show you how best you can bring out everything within your project or your system. So we have tour and tourism management system. Then it has a travel agent, customer package management, hotel, transportation, and to mention, but booking management, a few. Yes, your project has to have a user narrative. You can make as many user narratives as you can. I have 3. And your project has to have use cases. Who are these actors in your project and what will they do? So, like for example, I have an actor who is administrator, that is, he will manage users, of course. Then he will also add users, remove users, manage bookings, you'll make your order, and this one will help you out. I also have, okay, this is a context diagram that is so sweet to look at. So because this is system analysis and design, don't worry, that is a design. So that is a tourist, a tour guide, sorry, an actor, and these are responsibilities of what he will do better. And that is a tourist. So this is a sample of actors. Who is an actor? An actor is like a stakeholder. Okay, he's a stakeholder, and I had already mentioned stakeholders up there. So to move, you have to have a data flow on how best your diagram is going to flow, and that is my data flow on your screen. You can also have an entity diagram, and that is my suite entity diagram. Who is going to do what and when, and how many are going to do this? For example, we have a tourist can book from many tour companies. We can say many tour companies can be booked from by a tourist. So I also have an interface of how best my project, my system is going to look. So that is a sample of how that is a tourist system. You're going to sign in. For example, you want to go into a dealer touring, so that is you sign in and put your name, signature, password, and here we welcome you. Welcome to Tour and Travel. That is about us. That is about us and more about us, areas of interest, a location, when and why. Then you can create an account here and you're good to go. So I have a system architecture. For example, of course, every internet connects to a server. So when I talk about a user, I mean an actor. You can mention maybe a tourist. So what will a tourist do? Of course, a tourist will come in here, as I had shown you up here on the architecture. Then they're going to search about us, and then they're going to log in, and then they're going to create accounts, and then they're going to get to us. So they are going to be helped by the internet. Then the internet will connect to the server, and maybe the server will bring out the server will also connect back to the internet, and then this is a print. Maybe you're going to print out something. And we also have camera. Sorry, it's not here, but you can also include it, and so on and so forth. So here we come to an end of my flow. I'll be so happy to comment if you commented. Thank you.